How to link auto loan account in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the TD Auto Finance app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in with your registered username and password. Once you are on the home screen, look for the Accounts tab in the bottom bar. Tap on it and then select Manage or Add Accounts. Here you will find a section where you can link your auto loan account. Next, enter the details of your auto loan account such as your account number, loan information, or any required personal verification details. Make sure to carefully check the information you enter to ensure everything is correct. After entering the details, tap on the link or submit button. The app will then process your request and verify your account information. If everything matches, your TD Auto Finance auto loan account will be successfully linked in the app. Finally, you will be able to view your loan details, check your payment history, manage future payments, and track your account directly from the TD Auto Finance app. Now you know how to link your auto loan account in TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.